back to my channel. So I actually have a really nice DIY to show you guys from Dollar Tree products. And I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much, but I did move. I do have some good ideas for the new house to show you guys. If you like to see some cleaning videos and a house tour, an area tour, you know, just to go out and about on the streets and just show you guys the area, please let me know and we can definitely put that up. It's all about what you guys want. But I did want to show this holiday wreath idea and just kick off the season. I love the Christmas season, the holiday season. So I did want to show you guys the idea I have. It's very simple, and you know, I just want to put it out there that you guys are able to customize this idea and put as much as you want or as little as you want on the wreath. But I did want to kind of kick it off and just give you guys an idea. So let's get this DIY started, guys. Here I have all the supplies laid out for you guys. You need a glue gun, of course. I got this 2-pack of glittery snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it has that glitter to it. I also got this glittery deer and got some floral arrangements. I really thought these were really cute and will kind of give the look that I exactly want on my wreath. And then I also got the 15-inch, the smaller wreath, and I also got a white one. That's the 18-inch one, but you guys can also get these in green if you like. But I chose to use white. I just thought it would look really, I just wanted to go for more of like an elegant look. And of course you can still get that with a green wreath, but I chose white. So let's get this stuff started. So my first step is, of course, I'm going to be arranging my wreaths. As you can see, the reason why I got double wreaths is so I can make this one wreath and make it look a little more fuller. So my whole idea first will be just, of course, get the tags removed, get these on top of each other and have them laid out the way I want it. So we're going to go ahead and do that first, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Here you guys can see that I kind of glued it so it makes it look like a more fuller wreath, and it kind of covers up the edges. As you can see, just be careful about these metal areas. You know, if you want to keep those covered, glue it so that it's positioned in a way that you want it, but this is what it will look like once you kind of have a full wreath. You want to kind of cut up your arrangement. So here are all my flowers that I cut up. I still have about 2 more left, so I can still use those or not, and probably use them for another DIY. But I like this arrangement just because it also has that pop of color, that red and green that you're looking for the classic Christmas feel. But I didn't want this to be just completely white. I did want some pop of color in between, but not too much. So this is what it will look like once I have it cut up, and I'm going to go ahead and arrange it so you guys can see, along with my deer and snowflake. That's the last touch of the wreath, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what the final product looks like. Final product, you guys. I think it came out really pretty. It gave that pop of color that I wanted, and I actually hung my deer in the middle. I decided not to use the snowflakes. They just weren't matching with the actual idea that I had, so I just wanted to keep those off and make this arrangement this way. I actually cut up some of the green leaves and put them under these flowers because they only came with the 2 berry ones. So it kind of gave that pop of color and that elegance that I was looking for. So let's see what it looks like once I hang it outside the door. I'm really excited to see. Let's see it. Guys, here is what the wreath looks like on my front door. I am super excited about it. It just looks so high-end and cute, and I just honestly love it. I really love how the deer looks in the middle and just the whole look itself. So please comment below what you guys think and what you guys feel about the wreath, and I hope to catch you guys in another one. Bye.